Hello and welcome to the new Power Query tutorial video. And if you have a scenarios where you need to extract data which is based on, let's say you want to extract the first few characters, the last few characters, characters in between and stuff like that, all of those different types of operation, then you have landed to the right video, because with the help of this example where you see that you have some information before this delimiter, which is dash, in between or after it. So it's basically you have a text with a lot of delimiters and you want to separate it or you want to extract it, then this video is something where I will show you. Before that, a very quick information. If you have landed very first time on my channel, you may be wondering where this data set is. So the data set is present in the description. In the description you have the link for my dataset folder, which is this, and within dataset folder I have Power BI specific folder where this sample superstore dataset is present. There you can go and download it, right? Another information that you should know about this Google Sheet, for which the link is present in description, and it has the video title. I have created 280 plus videos, so right now searching any of my previous videos is very difficult if you are on YouTube and trying to search it. So that's why I've created this sheet where you can come search any of my video based on the title. Using the link which is present in column B, you can jump onto that video. And also I'm creating this category, which is difficulty level, whether it is a beginner level video, intermediate or what, and the topic category, whether Power Query and whatnot, right? So that way, to help you maximum in terms of utilizing from my channel and learning or helping you in your Power BI journey. So make sure you bookmark this and get the maximum out of it. So coming back to the Power Query, let's say we want this CA as something we want to add it. So under the transform menu, you have something called as extract, and you have a lot of options, right? So we'll start with the first option, which is length. So if you want to get a length of it, this is how you will going to get it. But if let's say you don't want to convert this, so what you can do is you can right click and say duplicate column. So rather than basically operating on the same column, you duplicate it and then you can start doing it. Let's say you want length, you can get a length, right? Cross uncheck that or undo that. You want first character, so it will ask you how many first character. Let's say you want 2 characters. So it will give you the 2 characters out of it, right? And this is the formula, right? If you will write it, table.transform duplicate column, order copy text starts here and type is text. So this is a call. This is the another way of learning the M language which Power Query uses, right? Also, if you see, what you have is first last character. Same way, you want 5 last character. Let's say if that is something useful for you, you get it last 5 and you get all the numbers of the last 5 characters, right? Same way, if I come back and show you the range, start and end. Let's say we want starting from 3, ending at 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 4 characters, 2017. This is what I will going to get, and that is where I need to do a little bit of adjustment as to what I need and what I don't. If you need to do an adjustment, this is where you will come in the settings, and let's say you want only till 5, and that way the 1 will be gone, or let's say this dash you don't need, then you will say 4, right? And you will click OK and you only get 2017. So you have to work with it a little bit just to get the desired output. Now coming back to extract again, you have the text before delimiter, that means before dash, let's say, and you have some advanced option, but for now I will just click OK. What you get is CA, same thing, right? But this is helpful because if you have multiple characters and you want everything before the dash, you will going to get it. Similarly, on the extract side, you have after delimiter, which is also good, dash, and you click OK. What you get? Anything before, after that first dash, right? So that is something here. And also text after delimiter, if I press dash and advanced options are present to further configure it from the start of the input or from the end of the input, right? And you click OK, and what you get is this desired output. So all of this configuration are very easily present in the extract text between delimiters, that means this and this are two delimiters. So start delimiter, end delimiter you can specify, and you click OK, you get 2017. So all of this operation which is related to extracting the text from a large text is something very helpful, right? And these are the standard scenario. But once you learn this M language, right, which is related to extracting the data using all of these default options which is there, you will see that you can do more and more, because situation becomes more and more complex. Sometimes they are not as easy where which you can solve it with the help of this standard input. Then you have to basically create your own method in terms of extracting the data, and we will see in future videos as I come across scenarios I will show you over there. So with that, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video with the new topic.